Hello viewer and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you about how to recover your Snapchat account without email and phone number. Now let's get started. First try to log in my account. The problem here is I forgot my Snapchat password. And I don't have email and phone number attached to this account. Okay, here's the steps to recover your Snapchat account and reset your password. Go back to your home page and open any browser. Now here go to support. Snapchat.com. Now click on Contact Us. Select My Account Login. Click that, and now here I choose, I forgot my password. So they say that, we need to reset our password, but that isn't the solution in our case. Because we don't have access to our email and phone number. So what we are going to do is, go to We Need More Help. And here just click, Yes. Here we are going to contact the Snapchat support. Now first input your Snapchat username. Then provide any active email. And input your mobile number. In this box type your message to Snapchat support. Don't forget to leave an email where they can reply to you. Once done, click Send. Solve the CAPTCHA and click Verify. Our message has been sent to Snapchat support. Just wait for their reply to your email. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.